So let's see the quick demo of Open Code, which has this free model, which is very powerful model. Using this model, I just create this nice 3D model of that earth where I can just move here and there and complete. Also, if we are not doing anything, so automatically it is rotations. It's complete earth 3D model an application. And second things also, I just build over here as a solar system where actually just that solar system, all that planet actually moving to around the sun. So yeah, that we will try to do over here, how we can utilize this open code as a free model, and how we can easily build this nice applications. So yeah, let's moving to start implementation. So before I start implementation, I'm especially recommend, if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel, which is .NET real world example here. And here also I just using previously many AI integration in any application for front end, back end as a full stack development. And also if you want to learn mobile development, game development, and any other stuff which is challenging and facing and things, so yeah, we just try to build and everything actually is resolved over here. So yeah, you can just learn many things. So now moving to start implementations. So there is the official website of this Open Code AI over here is a providing over here. So yeah, there's a couple of way to install that. So first you have to just install that. Either you can use that curl command, npm, and one and all. So yeah, I'll just prefer use this npm, because if you are just install node.js, so that is sufficient. So yeah, just simply copy this and go to any terminal over here. So yeah, here I just go to that particular location. That is not important actually. So you can just utilize just open any command prompt, and either you can PowerShell or a normal command, that is fine. So what I can do, simply I can just use this command. Okay, so npm open CLI, just simply it will just install CLI. So hit enter. So yeah, it's already I have. So see, already I have that that CLI. So that's why it's just saying like, okay, just clean up, need to clean up. So yeah, that is fine. If you do first time, definitely it should be installed. And once you install it, so open code, so yeah, this command will be available. So once you hit enter, yeah, so see, this is that Open Code CLI provide over here. And in here we can just first check that status. So once you go to the status, so whatever MCP server or other things actually we will available, so it will show it over here. Okay, and then other things, actually very important part is the model part. So here that once you hit enter, so now see, these are powerful model. Okay, and which is completely providing free this open code. So that is the big things actually. Okay, so previously we just try many things like Cloud Code and other things as well, other provider, but yeah, they don't provide actually free. And also if it is the free also, there is some limitation. Okay, so but here I last 2 days I just continuously using this our model, so I did not see any limitations over here. But yeah, and upcoming how they will treat this model, so but that is up to there. But yeah, as of now I can see there is a completely free. So what I'll do, I'll just use any model, like for example I'll just use deep 6 as of now. So just choose the deep 6. So once you deep 6 over here, so now I can just over here, and simply I can just tell okay, hi. And this is also another very important part of this open code, which I just noticed over here. See, uh, previously whatever things actually you just do, definitely you have to log in before they are access their model, like Copilot or Cloud Code and all. Definitely they required some login. And but here you see, I did not log in anything over here. Just simply install this open code, and I can access that all that model, which is completely free. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the way we can use it. So once you're done, now also we can just check there any MCP and all. Yeah, there's MCPs and all, but yeah, that will do in later, connected with this open code in our other Unity server, or or Unity game and all other where. So yeah, as of now we are good. So once you're done, now what I'll do, simply I'll just go back to here and terminate over here and open it in a code, BS code. So yeah, I just open in a BS code with this empty folder which have nothing. So what I'll try to do, we just trying to do over here, like we will try to create those whatever that 3D model actually application we was trying to build over here, because this is a very powerful model. So we will see over here how actually they easily build this application. So yeah, there is a two way. Either you can just use the extension and use the open code extension, that is fine. But yeah, I'll just use simple way, as like I'm going to here, so VS Code, so I'm gonna open it a terminal, and this terminal, nothing you have to do, as like simply use this open code command. So simply use this open code, that's it. Okay, nothing you have to do. So here I can see my open code is available in my VS Code itself. So simply I can just ask what you're trying to build over here. So first let me check. Okay, are you able to folder? Yes, I can see they just clearly said, okay, yes, I am the access of this folder. So that is pretty much good. So that means this isn't, or this CLI is much capable to access this and all. And also there is an option, once you choose that model, so there's an option actually you can just set, okay, high, medium, low and all. Okay, so I'll just choose high, and yeah, I'll just want to create 3D application using the 3.js. Actually that is a very powerful JS. So here I just ask the some prompt over here, simply hit enter. I'll just copy actually my requirement. So yeah, I just want to build interactive 3D earth build with 3ds. Okay, so that I just providing here and hit enter, and yeah, here that prompt. So don't worry, I'll share this prompt. So what I tell, okay, interactive 3D earth build with 3ds. Okay, and these are the feature actually I just want over here, where that earth continuously rotate on that axis, move the mouse manually, rotate the earth model, and also zoom in, zoom out, and semi-transparent cloud overwhelm draft. And also these are things actually just normal. Okay, I'll just provide these things. And yeah, in upcoming session definitely we will try to learn, like 3gs, how we can build game in the web browser without any additional environment and all, just simply using the 3ds. So yeah, this is a very powerful library. So yeah, let's wait to finish that. So yeah, I can see it is just taking 1 minute 21 second, which is perfect, right? And also they just create this index.html and also that main.js, which is actually utilize the 3gs. And yeah, what they build actually, see, they just build, okay, this and also the feature actually. So feature actually, this is just mouse control, scroll to zoom, and cloud player and automation, auto atom atmosphere glow and all. So yeah, I think that good. So let me just try to run this. So yeah, they just not provide the run facility, so that also we can ask, okay, how we can run, because actually for 3gs actually we required to run some additionally steps. It's just simple step, but yeah, how, okay, so it's just saying, okay, you can just use this simple way, but yeah, sometime I don't think so this will work. But yeah, let's see how they prefer, so this is working or not. And if it is not working, I'll tell you why it's not working. So yeah, I'll just go to this particular directory and I can just simply open this, and here, see, this is the problem actually. So if you go to that developer tool, definitely it will saying, okay, there's a course or is an issue. So for this actually I don't think so they are just clearly understand or not, but yeah, this is the way. So here actually they're just asking, okay, just open simply, but yeah, this is not way actually. So what I can do, simply I just go to this new terminal, and in here simply I can just use npx and then serve, okay, and then dot. So actually this will run, and it will just run the server of 3gs. Okay, and it will once run, then I can easily run this application. So that part actually yeah, sometime it is not asking, but yeah, I think this is fine. So now see, it is just saying, okay, this is that URL. So you can just copy this, go back to your browser, and simply you can just hit enter. Okay, now wow, see, now if I just mouse moving, so yeah, I just rotate my earth, and if it is nothing, so yeah, automatically. And also see, this is that zoom in and zoom out features as available also over here. So that's how easily actually they just create this application, right? See this 3D model, right? And also just running this. So this is that powerful JS actually, 3gs. And yeah, also this model is capable to this build this application. So yeah, I think this is that enough. And also if you want to more R&D, and also yeah, you can just, so even first time we just see, like once you directly open, so it is not working. So you can just ask, okay, it is not opening my application, so how we can do that, or even whatever error actually previously we saw, right? So you can just ask, okay, the cross origin issue is occurring over there, so how to fix that. Okay, so definitely it's a powerful model. I just tried last 2 days, so it is very powerful, and also it is built many applications. So don't worry about that, we will do in upcoming session this complete game and all using this model and this free open code along with the free open code. So that pretty much good for this session. So thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.